Hello, let's make a Minikane denim jacket together. Such a jacket can be sewn without an overlock, only with a sewing machine. Pattern link in description. For sewing you need a pattern, denim, hot melt adhesive, fastening buttons. Cut the upper back with a fold, middle part of the back with a fold, two sides of the back, folded bottom detail. The finished part should be twice as long as the pattern. Marks immediately transferred to the part. Now the front parts, these will be two upper and two lower parts. Transfer flaps marks to fabric. We will make the pocket flaps ourselves later. 4-piece sleeves. Now collar details. Pay attention to where the top of the collar and stand are located. Cut out 2 pieces each from jeans and 1 piece each from hot melt fabric for the collar and stand. Glue 1 piece each of the collar and the front of the torso with a glue cloth using a hot iron. Put 2 pieces of collar face to face. Draw the contour lines of the collar without allowances for the glued part and stitch exactly along the contour. Cut off all corners at a distance of 1 mm from the seam. Cut the allowances at a distance of 2 mm from the edge. Turn to the front. Iron well and top stitch. Mark the middle of the collar and stand details. Put the rack pieces face to face. Put a collar between them. Align the middle marks and sew. Cut off the collar allowances in the space between the stand allowances. Make cuts. Turn right side out and iron well. Top stitch the rack. Glue a small piece of jeans with hot melt adhesive. Cut allowances from 4 sides of the pocket and draw 2 contours on the hot melt adhesive sheet. Put a piece of denim with an outline on another piece of denim face to face and stitch exactly along the line. Cut out. All corners must be cut. Turn right side out and iron well. Top stitch the seams. Sew matching marks. Sew the bottom pieces. Press the seams to the top and top stitch. Sew the side parts of the back to the central part. Iron the seams inward in top stitch. Sew on the upper part, matching the marks and seams of the lower part. Press the seams to the top and top stitch. Sew shoulder seams. Press seams back and top stitch. Mark the front. To do this, step back 1 centimeter from the front edge and draw a line on both halves of the front. From the resulting line, retreat another 1.5 centimeters and draw a line again. Exactly along the lines obtained, bend the edge twice to the wrong side and iron well. Mark the middle of the back neckline and collar. Sew on the collar, aligning the middle marks. Place the front edges of the collar under one front lapel. Cut off the middle layer. Iron and top stitch the neckline. Mark up the sleeves. On the wrong side, step back from the middle of the sleeve 2 centimeters and draw a line. Draw another line at a distance of 1 centimeter from the same edge. The mark to which you need to stitch is also drawn on the fabric. Lay the piece of each sleeve face to face and cut exactly along the line to the marks. Iron the seams of the sleeves in different directions. Open the seams closest to the edge. Top stitch the seams in the frame to the cut. Align the seam of the sleeve with the shoulder seam, and sew the sleeves into the armhole. Sew side seams. Open side seams. Step back 1 centimeter from the edge of the sleeve and draw a line. Make a short vertical stitch along the ironing line of the sleeve cut on both sides. Turn right side out and iron well. Hem the bottom of the sleeve. Mark the belt detail. On the front side, draw a line at a distance of 1 cm from the edge. Fold to the wrong side and iron. Pin the belt to the bottom of the jacket face to face. Remember that we folded the front edge of the jacket twice. To sew a belt, one lapel needs to be deployed. Along the inflection lines of the lapel, make 2 short vertical stitches on the belt. Turn right side out and iron well. Hem the bottom of the jacket. Top stitch front and bottom. It remains only to install the buttons. Instead, you can sew on pieces of Velcro. Choose what suits you best. You will find more interesting projects in my blog on BOOSTTY.